Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I'm actually going to bring y'all in just a little bit here. We have another unboxing today. It's been a great week so far. Lots of good things going on, changes. If you watch the weekly reseller chat, you'll know about some of the changes we have literally recently made within the last day. And so far it's working out really great. I think I've got 14 listings up today, maybe 13 or 13, anyway, more than 10. And our sales this last few days have been great. It's paying off. Some of the sales from the nicer boxes are coming through. And I'm super excited about where things are going. So we're going to keep moving along. This is a box that I haven't gotten in quite some time. And unless I go to the thrift store or get them through liquidation, I don't get a lot of men's pieces. This is the ThredUp Men's piece. This is a 25-pound box. Again, I haven't gotten one of these in quite some time. This one came from Pennsylvania. All my other boxes have been coming from Georgia, so it'll be interesting to see what this box is like. I'm kind of excited to see what we have in here. I am hoping for maybe some polo shirts, some shorts would be great. I do have polo shirts and shorts currently in my closet. But it would be nice to have just kind of some fresh inventory because, spring is here. And it's funny because maybe four days ago, we were in the 30s and 40s, and we are in 85 today. It jumped up like easily 40 degrees. It's insane. And then over the next couple of days, it's going to be nice. And then we'll drop that back down to the 50s, 60s, and 70s for about a week and a half. So spring has definitely come in full force. All of our snow is finally gone. Y'all know this box costs $110. I think by the time you add on tax and everything, I think it's usually like $117 or something like that. Let's dive in and see what we're going to get this time. Again, it's been a long time since I've done one of these boxes. Okay, this is Vans, a double extra large, a great start off. Classic 1966. This might even be vintage. I doubt it. It may just be the print. But this is a nice shirt, and I love the fact that it's a double extra large. So I'm just going to put everything over here like we have been. That's been working out great. I am hoping for hopefully maybe one or two nice pieces in here. Under Armour, Cold Gear. These are some nice sweatpants that do have the Under Armour hit. Oh, but these have a big hole in them. Yep, I don't know that I will be able to do anything with those. What I might do is try and list them and see if somebody wants them just for like work sweatpants or something like that. Just note the hole. Please note there's a hole. These are great for like working, in a shop. Or maybe they want to turn them into cutoff shorts. So I might still go ahead and list that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, Uniqlo, this is a size large sweatshirt. I have sold some Uniqlo pieces. This is a nice hunter green, emerald hunter green. Very nice color. Okay, we have World Wild Sportsman. Great shorts, new with tags, size 44 waist. These are cargo. This is excellent. Very, very happy with those. What is this? This looks nice. Okay, Gap Fit Performance Extra Large. These are nice sweatpants. They are army. They have the, camel print. And these are extra large. They do have the drawstring. These look to be in really good condition. So those are great, especially for springtime. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, Adidas. These are climate controlled. This is just a nice, what size is this? This is definitely has some wear because the tag just kind of looks a little bit beat up. Yeah, this is 2018. I'm looking for a size. It's probably on one of the 4 tags on here. Y'all know how much I love trying to dive through all the different tags. I'm going to guess that this is maybe like a small. So there's that. I actually opened my window this time because it is getting very warm up here already with these nicer temps. It's funny, when you've been in the 20s or around the 20s or like lower temps for so long, even just hitting 50s and 60s feels really warm. This is Athletic Works 2X. These are even new with tags. These are fleece joggers. I love the fact that I'm getting some great plus sizes in this. Because I love providing plus sizes, even especially for the guys. My plus size for the guys don't stick around very long. Especially like doubles and triples and stuff. Ariat, great brand. If y'all don't know, Ariat is a really great men's brand. And this seems like it's brand new. I don't know if there's a tag. But even if there isn't, this is like new without tags. It's still crisp. And this is a size medium. This is Pad Series. I love this. This is great. Ariat does very well. Very, very happy with that. As long as there's nothing wrong with it. There's a little bit of schmutz on there, but that's easy to clean off. Yes, very, very good. Okay, more sweatshirts. See what the brand is. Okay, Goodfellow, another size large. This is a nice block colorway sweatshirt, size large, with the kangaroo pocket on the front. It's a nice colorway, blue and the browns colors. Okay. All right, we've got some dress pants. Ralph Lauren dress pants. These are 34 by 32, so great size. So there's that. Usually in these boxes, my COG is anywhere from like $3.50 to $4 a piece. We will count at the end. Calvin Klein, these are part polyester rayon, 42 by 30. These are also nice pants. Very nice. Looks like we have some more shorts. Chubbies. And these are a size medium. So again, I'm wondering if these are boys. Are these boys? Short size medium. They just look kind of small for a men's medium. I'm kind of wondering if these are boys' shorts. Okay, here's a hat, Tractor Supply, new with tags. There's that. Okay, what do we have here? LL Bean extra large tall. Great size. My tall pieces don't last long either. This is a really nice black burgundy Heatherway 3/4 button. This is great. Yeah, that should do very nicely. I keep catching myself on the, okay. Sunrise Kingdom. I have never heard of this before. Okay, this is interesting. So it's that color on the inside of the shirt, and then it's this color on the outside. Have you guys ever seen something like that before? I know it's right because the tag's on the inside too. That is interesting. I wonder if this is like a really cool, like expensive brand. Do you guys know anything about Sunrise Kingdom? This is a size medium. I'm curious about that. Okay, this is corduroy with a big, huge hole in it. I can't list this. I can't do anything with that. So that will go down here. Okay, corduroy again. Okay, J. Crew jeans, 34 by 30. So yeah, we'll definitely list those. Very, very cool. All right. What else do we have? Dockers D1, a khaki, size 30 by 30. They look okay. I don't sell khakis well. I have sold a couple pair while I've been a reseller, but khakis just aren't something a lot of men are looking for online. At least I don't think so. Okay, what do we have here? Land's End. Okay, these have somebody's name in them, so I'll have to note that. These are an extra large. Land's End. These are cargo shorts. These were a size, did I say the size? Extra large. That's a great size. So very good. I'll just have to note in the pictures that it has that name on there. Okay, these are tan pants, and I'm looking for a brand. .32 by 34 is the size, but I am not seeing a brand anywhere. They're Levi's. Levi's with the white tag. These are nice. 32 by 34, 511s. These are nice jeans. I will wash these because, oh, you know what? It looks like there's a little tiny bit of pulling on the pockets. I'll trim that off and just kind of wash them. That should be fine. What do we have here? Polo Ralph Lauren jeans, 32 by 30. Wow. Make sure the zipper works on these. I didn't know they had jeans like this. So Polo Ralph Lauren jeans. Okay. I didn't know they made jeans. I've always only seen like dress pants and shirts and stuff. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, Patagonia double extra large. Remember I told you I never run into Patagonia in the stores? And if I find it, it's because it comes in a box. Boom. And this is such a great size. I am hoping that there's nothing wrong with this because this is a great piece. It looks good. I am very happy with that. Okay. George, classic fit. This is a men's short-sleeved double extra large shirt. And normally I do not sell George, but this one is new as tags. It's a pop-on button-down, wrinkle-resistant. Because it's double extra large, I'm going to list this, but normally I don't like selling George. It's just not a brand people are looking for. But in double extra large pieces, a lot of times the guys aren't caring about the brand. They're looking for the style, and they're looking for the size. So I will definitely list that and see what it does. This is Before Performance J. Crew stretch size large shirt. I will have to examine this thoroughly because it is white. But it's I don't know if guys typically are looking for white shirts this time of year with different weddings and events and different things like that. But there's that. Okay, Banana Republic. I have sold Banana Republic in the past, but I don't specifically search it out. These are 34 by 32. These aren't khakis. They're nice, a little bit nicer than khakis, but they're not like dress pants. And they do have a pinstripe to them. So I might actually, after I wash them, might actually list those. Okay, we've got some shoes. All right, these are good fare, Old Navy jeans. And they're new at tags. Huh. What size are these? Because usually if it's a good size, Old Navy can do well. 32. 31 by 32. And they're new with tags. So even though I don't typically list Old Navy, I might list these and see what they do. Because again, they're new with tags, in good condition, and they're men's. Okay, we have some Converse All-Star shoes. What size are these? I'm hoping they're a good size. Size 7.5. So there's those. They're high tops. I will have to do some cleanup on these. Nice colorway, especially for this time of year. So there's those. And then we have some penny loafers in here. I think they're penny loafers. Johnston & Murphy. Don't know anything about this brand. These are tap shoes. Look at their tap shoes. You see the tap on the ends there? Wow, I'm curious to research these to find out how much these go for. Johnston & Murphy. This might be really cool. I'll have to research these. Okay. Oh, and the size on these is a size 12. So they're made in Italy. These could be good. Let me count how many pieces we got. Okay, we got 27 pieces, so that's not too bad. So my COGS probably going to be roughly around $4. I'll note it to you over here what the COGS is going to be, but we got Area and we got Patagonia, and we got some other things. We got some